Tired of just dreaming about your perfect home and ready to actually design it? Then get ready, because we are diving headfirst into the ultimate home design showdown: Planner 5D versus Room Planner. First up, Planner 5D. Known for its impressive catalog of furniture and decor items, Planner 5D really shines when it comes to customization. You can tweak almost every element. From the fabric on your sofa to the precise shade of paint on your walls, the interface is relatively intuitive, making it easy for beginners to jump in and start creating, but it can feel a bit cluttered at times with so many options. Now let's explore Room Planner. What sets Room Planner apart is its AR capabilities, allowing you to visualize how furniture will actually look in your space using your phone or tablet. The interface is clean and streamlined, which makes navigation a breeze. While it might not have the same level of granular customization as Planner 5D, Room Planner offers a more user-friendly experience, especially for those who prioritize ease of use and quick design iterations. When it comes to floor plans, both platforms offer robust tools, but Planner 5D gives you a bit more control over the finer details, such as wall thickness and angles. Room Planner simplifies the process, making it ideal for quickly sketching out ideas and experimenting with different layouts. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual needs and priorities. If you crave intricate customization and photorealistic renderings, Planner 5D is your go-to. But if you value user-friendliness, AR visualization, and a streamlined design process, Room Planner is definitely worth checking out. So, which one will it be? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more home design comparisons. Happy designing!